hold on. Let's back up a bit. Okay, another bright day. We will be going to another falls, which is in the border of Karnataka and Goa. As far as what I've heard about it, it's really beautiful. And this time I'm taking a bag with my clothes in it along with the towel so that we can fucking swim in there. I'm going now to a friend's place. From there we will set off to the falls. Set off to thy falls. Cool. Alright, so guys, there's one more guy you haven't met right now. This is Aditya Sheth.
Hey guys.
What were you trying to on the bike?
Dude, record that part.
Yeah, sure.
This guy.
Okay, we are waiting for Narayan, but the guy who was there the last time we went, the guy who wore red shirt, yeah. So we are waiting down for him.
And I think you're supposed to show me.
Oh yeah. Then there is also this guy.
Hey
you guys met yesterday.
Hi. Dude, my introduction was not proper, dude. That was just a vlogging stuff.
You wanna do it again?
Like something I could have done, some nonsense, like some decent thing.
Go.
Okay, fine. Hello guys. That's it.
No, what the fuck?
This part, Mare,
Hey. Oh, also I need to refuel. I'm on like a liter. Maybe that's not gonna be enough to go there and come back. Narayan Bhatt is here.
You vlog, man. Oh, hi. Waterfalls! Oh shit!
Guys, so we have reached at the bottom of the hill where the falls is situated. It's a trek of about I think 15 minutes, and then we'll be at the foot of the falls.
That's what they said.
Yeah, that's what they said, but let's just hope it is so. And 15 minutes walk for them might be a 30-minute walk for us.
You know you make me smile, oh yeah. You know you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.
They are the two people who we met right now.
I wanna pee.
Go ahead.
No, please.
Go ahead.
No, just forget what I said.
Go ahead. Take a piss.
No, it's alright.
Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go.
Liquor not allowed.
Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. No, leave me here.
Come on, you're holding up so soon. Come on. Yeah, that's right. We can literally drink from this water. It's so sweet and clean. Look at him with that stick and all. What is that's only obstructing you. You're not yet here, but that is wonderful. Crab. I am. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to climb up till there. Yep, up there. I cannot promise that, but I'll give it a shot. Cool.
So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on you, swear the smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could probably leave. And don't believe it, make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and a week and never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile.
Probably the time to go now. We would have stayed here a little more longer, but my friends had to go because they have a curfew. Alright, bye, next time.
When I miss you, know